So this won't be one of our typical install videos. There is just way too much to cover in a short video. So we got Russ back here installing, and every now and then we're gonna pop in and check on the process and see how it's going. So join us. This customer is getting our surround view camera retrofit, NBT Evo head unit retrofit, and our wireless phone charger added to her F30. This is a more challenging upgrade that we don't suggest you do on your own, but the surround view system is a fantastic upgrade that adds an incredible amount of sophistication to your car. Don't want to do the full surround system? Well, we do have a few other camera options that may be available for your car. Head on over to our website and enter your VIN to find out which camera kits are supported by your car. So as you can see, Russ has the door panel off, and that's an important step because we need to feed the wiring harness for that mirror through the door. There are quite a bit of parts to take off and cables to run. Russ has been doing this for years. If this is something you want added to your car, we have certified installers in about 30 countries around the world. And now that we have the door panels off and the wiring harnesses run, it's time to install the mirrors with the cameras. To retrofit the surround view cameras onto this F30, Russ is going to disassemble the factory mirrors and install the cameras, harnesses, and other parts into the existing mirror housings. Now the surround view system that this customer got for her car is going to display all the cameras perfectly right at home on the existing iDrive display. We're also going to be ditching the old head unit, upgrading to an NBT Evo, and we're upgrading to a wireless charger that's going to go right here so the customer can wirelessly charge her phone anytime she wants, simply by putting it straight on the charger. Good morning and welcome back to day 2 of the installation. Last night, Russ took off the bumper, he installed the cameras, and right now he's doing some finishing touches on the mirror, and he's gonna install the NBT head unit and the wireless charger. Let's go take a look and see what he's doing. Russ puts the finishing touches on the mirrors. After that, he moves on to installing the cameras in the front bumper and running the cables for them. Everything starts to go back together. While all that is getting worked on, the wireless charger and NBT head unit wait to go in next. Let's learn a bit more about the wireless charger and what makes it so great. Our BeamerTech wireless charger is a fantastic option that looks like it came from the factory if BMW offered something this cool. It's a super easy plug-and-play install that fits right in the space behind your cup holders. There is some minor work you need to do to get this installed, but once you do, you simply place your phone on the slip-resistant surface and your phone will instantly start charging. If you use your phone a lot, it really is an option that you should consider getting. Link in the description on where you can get yours. To get that charger and head unit installed, the old head unit needs to come out and the center console needs to be disassembled. For a full step-by-step video on the installation of both of these products, check out the videos on this YouTube channel. And now that Russ has removed the portions of the dashboard and center console that we need, it's time to install the wireless charger and the NBT head unit. If you want to upgrade to one of the newest head units, BeamerTech offers our NBT Evo retrofit, which will give you the latest version of BMW Maps, CarPlay, and more. But if you don't want the expense of NBT Evo, but still want CarPlay, Android Auto, camera connections, and more, BeamerTech offers our MMI Prime, which will give you all that and more. Link in the description on how to get yours. And now that everything's installed, it does need to be coated so that way it can function properly on this car. Right now, we got everything hooked up and our coating specialist is taking care of just that. To learn more about remote coating and how it could benefit your car, click this link here. The coating tells the car what we've done and the results show right on screen. Everyone in the shop was pleased with the results on this one. After the coating, we decided to call it a day. Early the next morning, Russ tidied up all the remaining cables from the installation, reinstalled all the panels he removed, and after some final quality checks and testing, this car was ready to be back on the streets again. This customer made a great choice with her upgrades. To find out what upgrades are available for your car, head on over to our website and enter your VIN. For more tips and tricks about BMWs and how Beamer Tech can help you with your ride, make sure you hit subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching.